Okay, so in the middle of a lawn cut, my mower just stopped working, and then it wouldn't start back up. All it was this little spring right here, just connected to this thing. Just stopped. It was disconnected. So this little thing was just dangling loose, and all you had to do was just hoop it back around. This, and then the lawnmower started working again. It pushes whatever this fucking thing is. But anyway, my lawnmower works again. I was about to start. My air filter was god-awful terrible. You might want to check yours. I'll probably get a new one. And I was about to do the carburetor. I think it's this thing. There's a little screw down there. See if I can get it. Yeah, because I've had one time where that needed to be cleaned out. There's little holes for gas to go through, and cleaning that worked. Someone else had a problem where their spark plug, this thing got loose and disconnected, and mine's fucking fine. But anyway, lawnmower fucking works. See if I can do this with one hand while holding it. Works like a champ. Alright, so anyway, that's a way easier fix than I was anticipating. Oil levels were good, yada yada.